Garrison's last day at Hoover Elementary, walking into the sunset. There's a lot of sidewalk chalk here on the United States of America, faded glory. The rain's gonna come soon and all the chalk will be washed away and time will pass and the sun and the weather and the wind will take all the paint off of the concrete here. I'm curious, after Hoover is closed for good, if I went and talked to the city, if they would let me repaint this map here on the concrete. That would just be very powerful for me because you know what? I'm not ready for America to fade away just quite yet.